Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video we will talk about the very important question answer. So the question is that they are mixture of element in the array like zero and number and string. We have to shift all the number at the left side and middle would be a string and all the zero would be at the right side. So this is very important question for a front-end developer. In this video, we will look into a two-way. First from the using a inbuilt function and second without using an inbuilt function. So let's go. Before going to start, if you are new in our channel, so please subscribe our channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get more updated video. So let's start. First, we will create a function which is known as a rearrange array. Okay, so this array will take a parameter that is known as an array. We will create an array. It would be empty array, and first is strings list, and second is zeros list, and third is numbers. Okay, now we will iterate every element from array. So array dot for each element, and then we will make a condition here like element equal to 0. If element is equal to 0, then we will push the 0 element inside a 0 list. Okay, the second condition would be else if like element equal to string. Okay, then we will push the all the string element inside the string array. But how can we check? With the help of type of, we can make a condition that if the element is a string, then we will push the all the string inside a string array. Strings dot push element, and then last else if types of element is equal to number, and the second condition is element not equal to 0. We have already pushed the zeros element inside the 0 list. Here we will push the number, okay, not the 0, because 0 is already a number, so that we are making two condition here. So we will push all the numbers to the element. Now here is the point that what we need to do. First, all the numbers at the left, middle, string and 0. Numbers dot concatenation, and then there would be a string and then zeros. Okay, so it should be written, and by mistake I have to use the array instead of arr. Okay, now we are going to call it, and this function is returning the arrays list, so we will console directly, and we are passing the above array list. Okay, file. Then you will look here, the output is coming, all the numbers are at the left side and string at the middle. So from the using the inbuilt function you can achieve. Let's move to another way. Without using the concatenation method, we can also do that. Here we have to take a variable with the 0. The variable name is count, and what will be str. It will be an empty array. We will push all the strings element inside this array, and the next would be zeros. Okay, now we will iterate every element of an array using the for loop. You may use anything. Now here I will use an array, for loop array. Okay, arrays dot length. Here we will make a condition for a number, type of array element would be equal to number. Okay, and the second condition would be array of element not equal to 0. Then we will shift all the number to an left side of an current array. How can we shift? We will shift like this way. Okay, from this way we can shift all the numbers to an left side. How the all the number will be shifted at the left side, like the count will start from the 0 and it will be increased because it is post increment, so it will increase one by one, so till the length of the array it will be work. But this statement will be executed when the element would be number. Okay, next the condition would be arrays of string. Okay, equal to string, then push the all the string element to the string array. Okay, and the last condition would be arrays element equal to 0, then push the all the zeros element inside the zeros list. Okay, and all the number has been shifted at the left side. The second, we will assign the element of an array at the middle with the string. Okay, so how we will do? str.length increment and arrays count plus plus assignment of strings element. Okay, so the count would be till the number of element inside the array, like there is 1 2 3 4 5 6, so 6 element, the count would be 6, and the next from the 7 it will be start and store the all the string element inside the arrays. Okay, the same statement would be for 0. Okay, it would be zeros dot length, the element would be zeros. Okay, then we will return array. Okay, then we will save it and run it, then we will get the output. All the output is not coming as expected because there is one reason. I did not check the string array of element with the string, that's why the output is not coming as expected. Okay, then I will save it and run it again, then we will get the expected output, like all the number will be shifted at the left side, the middle would be the all the string, and the right side all the zeros will be shifted here. Okay, from this two way you can achieve the answer of this question, like shifting the number of left side, middle the all the string, and right side of the all the zeros. Okay, it would be a mismatch, like the interviewer may ask you that all the string would be at the left side and the middle would be number and 0 would be at the right side. You have to just change here, and then you have to iterate one by one the element as where you want to shift. I hope you get some information from this video. If you get some information from this video, so please like this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Goodbye.